They control our brain, heart, and almost all body functions.
3 main omega-3 acids are essential for our health and longevity.
We need from 1100 to 1600 milligrams of ALA daily, and can get it from the foods you see on the screen. We also need 2 more omega-3 acids, EPA and DHA, in total from 250 to 500 milligrams daily. Only seafood contains them in high amounts.
Our body can save omegas, so there is no need to eat these exact amounts every day. You can take several times more, once or twice a week. Just take into account that trying to get all omegas from seafood only is not a good idea. It's perfect source for EPA and DHA, but not ALA. So you need to add some plant foods rich in ALA to get all 3 omegas.
Unfortunately for vegans, most plant foods, with the exception of seaweed in very small amounts, do not contain these 2 highly important omega-3s.
Our body itself found a solution. It can convert ALA from plant foods into EPA and DHA. But the conversion rate is limited, only 5 to 10% or less.
So what should you do if you are vegan and want to get enough omega-3s from foods?
Let's look at the chart again. The first foods are so rich in ALA that even if they're only 5% is converted, we will get enough EPA and DHA. And here we have another important detail. Some of these foods are also rich in another healthy omegas, omega-6, and they compete with ALA for the same enzymes that make conversion. So you need to prefer only those foods that are high in ALA while low in omega-6. These are flax seeds and oil, chia seeds, and canola oil.
And we have few more tips on how to boost ALA conversion.
Moderate aerobic exercise, such as 30 to 45-minute day of brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, boosts our mitochondria activity and lipid metabolism, which improve ALA conversion to EPA and DHA. Try to prioritize sleep, as even mild sleep deprivation reduces omega-3's metabolism efficiency. Do not focus just on omega-3s in your diet. It should include all other essential nutrients, especially magnesium, zinc, iron, vitamins B3, B6, and C, as the enzymes that convert ALA to EPA need these nutrients to work properly. Avoid added sugars and refined carbs, as high blood sugar or insulin resistance slow down the enzymes. And finally, if all else fails or you're at high risk, like inflammation or heart issues, microalgae oil is a reliable vegan source of preformed DHA and EPA. 250 to 500 milligrams combined DHA-PA daily is safe and effective.
We are preparing more useful topics on health and aging for the next videos. So subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated.
Many thanks for watching.